Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So, figure I'd give you a little update what's going on here in the model room, and that is not a lot. So, you probably noticed, or maybe you haven't, I've not put up a few videos in a while. I've been a little slacking on the YouTube. YouTube has been kind of on cruise control for me for a bit. So I've been helping out my brother. He's had a few medical issues that come up. So I've got some things in here I've been trying to get done in between, and this thing with him has just been taking up a lot of time, so I just haven't had time out here. So you know, family, you got to take care of family, you know, and so we're trying to help him out best we can, all that good stuff in between everything else. So I got a mail call I want to do. So Mike from Scale Speedworks, Mike sent me a package. Mike, I really appreciate it. I've not forgot about you, man. I got the video coming up. I just haven't got it finished yet. That's way overdue. I got some shop cards I need to get out. Been trying to watch some videos and get on the comments, and it's just been a little slower than normal. A lot slower than normal, I should say. So at this point, back to my brother, he had a pain in his shoulder, all this kind of stuff, and they found out he had a mass on his left lung, and he has a huge mass on it, and the lungs actually collapsed due to this mass. So wife and I ended up taking him down to Henry Ford Hospital down in like on 19 Mile, I think it is. And he's been down there for quite a while. So we've been going back and forth every other night, going down to visit him, all this kind of stuff, taking him things he needs or whatnot. So yeah, so it's just in between that, like I say, I just have not had a lot of bench time out here at all, or even YouTube time or nothing like that. So I give you guys a heads up of what's been going on in my world and all that good fun stuff. So the other night we ended up bringing him home because they did a biopsy on him, and you know how that stuff can go. Being it's the 4th of July week, there's staff's short, you know, stuff like that. So things are taking just a little bit longer. And they got him pretty situated to where they let him go home. There's a marathon coming up, and he's not going to enter this year, so we figured he should be okay. But yeah, so anyways, so wife and I got out of work Friday, the day after the 4th, and we were going to go down to visit him. And he calls and said, "Hey man, they're going to let me come home." I'm like, "Really?" So I thought, okay. So told the wife, says, "Well, when you get home," she got out of there. She come home, and we ended up driving down, and of course, time we took him back home to his house, which he lives in Sandusky, Michigan, out of Ohio, and then we drive back home. I mean, it was like a 1 o'clock time we got in the morning, time we got back here, so it was a pretty long day. So yeah, so other than that, a lot of other stuff going on. Of course, it's summertime, so lawn work, yard work, whatever going on, everything going on here and there, whatever. So that's why I just haven't a lot of time to get some stuff done. So I'm going to try to get some bench work done. Like I say, he doesn't know what's going on yet until next week. They figure out, and then we'll have to take him back down and see what they're going to do for procedures. So we're praying it's going to be okay for him. God's in it, you know, he's in control. So hopefully he's got a good result, but I guess we'll see. Time will tell. Next week he'll know, and then we'll kind of go from there, and probably end up having to take him back down for whatever procedure they're going to do and go that route. So other than that, like I say, he's my only brother. So I got a sister in Florida, and my folks, they've both passed away. So you know, I'm trying to help him out the best I can. And like I say, he's a year older than me, so we're pretty close. And so just trying to help him out best we can and all that good stuff. So like I say, YouTube's been on the back burner. Yeah, model room, model stuff, period, anything like that. It's just not that important at this time for me. You know what I mean? We got bigger things going on. So, but right now, we're going to try to get back on a few things, get caught up on stuff. Like I say, I got a lot of stuff going on to do in here I'd like to get done. So I got my Blue Ox model street machine build going on. That's sitting behind me on the bench. And I've been working on the T-top car, the 79 pace car. That's been, the doors are hung. I got them kind of, yeah, they're on there. I mean, this is my first attempt at it, so I give you guys credit that do this all the time, because, yeah, but it's looking pretty good. And other than that, I've been picking at this 90 Cougar XR7 by Revell. I don't know why, I just opened it up. It's been kind of a filler for me. I've been just kind of nitpicking it here and there. You guys saw I did a video on the tail light assembly and all that good stuff. So we're working on that in between things, just to see, just kind of a, like say, kind of a filler on stuff. So we're getting back on things, and we'll see how it goes from there. So yeah, so like say, that's what's been going on in my world. I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of an update, what's happening here, all that good stuff. So yeah, so I appreciate you guys checking out the channel, following along. I want to thank all the subscribers. I really appreciate it, guys. That's awesome of you. So once again, you guys have a good one, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.